Hello, this is Pinky and Angie, and we're going to teach lesson 9-1. We hope that after you watch this video, you'll be able to solve all the questions in lesson 1. So, first off, we're going to introduce you the vocab words in this lesson. Transformation is to change in position, shape, or size of the figure. Pre-image is the original figure before we change anything, and image is the figure after we have transformed it. Isometry is a type of transformation in which the pre-image and the image are congruent. So this is an example of isometry, and if I move the pre-image, anything on the pre-image, it should appear the same on the image since they are congruent. So they are congruent. Okay, the last word is vector. It is not in the book though, but we think that it is good to know just in case. And vector is the distance and direction where the figure moves. These vocab words are important since you're gonna use it throughout this lesson, so memorize them. And by the way, this is a picture of the vector. Let's start the lesson. What are the images of angle A and angle C?
So here's the answer.
Yeah, so here's the answer. And if you choose angle A, the answer should be like that. And if you choose angle C, the answer should also be like that. And the next question, what are two pairs of corresponding sides? Yeah, and here's the answer. You might not have the same answer if you choose other points, but if you choose point A and B, it should be like this.
So we think these problems are too easy for you. Let's move on to the harder ones. For this one, you have to translate triangle CDE by the given vector. So first, you're gonna mark the vector by clicking point B to point A. Then click on transform and select mark vector. Now you have marked the vector. Next, you would select the whole triangle CDE, click transform, and hit translate. Now a box will pop up and the mark should be selected, and then the next step is to select translate. To prove that it is translated, you can measure the distance between each point. The measure. Okay, so now you can see that the distance between each point are congruent to the distance of the vector. So now here's the last question. What are the images of the figure ABDC for the translation by this equation? And then graph the image ABDC. So let's do point A first. So the equation tells us to move 2 digits to the left and 5 digits down. The reason why we move point A 2 digits to the left on the x-axis is because it's -2. And we move downwards 5 digits on the y-axis because it's -5. So the same thing would apply to all of the points A, B, D, C. So you can see that we already did A, B, D, C for you. So you have to connect all the points. A with B, B with C, D.
Yeah, so we did the points for you. Alright, we did the points already.
So now you see that the figure ABDC got translated into the figure
A prime, B prime, D prime, C prime. Okay, and
so yeah, now we're done with this question.
So that's all for section 1, and we hope that it was easy enough for you to understand it.